Hey, it's Aran here, and I'm just going to do. So this is the Capterra video, okay? Make money giving legitimate software reviews, and I'm just going to go through your comments one by one and give you answers, okay? So the first thing is, it's been 5 days since I submitted a no invite email. Should I wait longer? Am I royally screwed? No, you're not royally screwed, but 5 days is nothing. Just wait. There is no specific time frame that you should expect. The thing is, you gotta be patient. You just gotta do one review, just one review. So you're in their system. Okay. Now, I recommend you sign in with your LinkedIn account. Sign in with your LinkedIn account, do one review, and just wait. Maybe it'll take a week, maybe it'll take a month. I have no idea what the regulations is. I know somebody that did it and got it straight away, and I know others that waited. Okay, so I think in this case you waited for like 2 months, and yeah, if you waited for 2 months, maybe you are screwed. But I suggest you sign in with your LinkedIn account. That's what I did. Okay. How to check reward or income on this website? There's no option because you need to do the review first, one review, and then get invited. And then when you get invited, you do more reviews, and then you'll be notified when you're approved. It takes about 3 days to do it. There is a FAQs that explains that. Please tell me how to claim the money. Do we have to add our PayPal account? No, you do not need a PayPal account. So once you're done the review, once you've been invited, you have to be invited. I cannot stress this enough. Once you've been invited, you will then get a notification saying you can now submit and claim your award. How do you want it? Do you want this Amazon card? I think Starbucks card and Visa card. I always get the Visa card because then I can use it for whatever I want. Okay, so that's the answer to that. There is no gift card sent to me. I waited for 3 weeks. There's no gift card, and I wrote 40 reviews, and they do not send any gift card. Please reply how I can do this. So you made a massive mistake. You went and just did reviews thinking they're just going to pay you for doing reviews. That is not how this works. You need to do one review and wait. Okay, wait. Once you've actually gotten the invitation, only then do you then only then do you then go and do the reviews. The fact that you did 40 reviews, that's just stupid, and you're not going to get paid for that. Hello, sir. How can I add my transport software on Capterra? I'm not sure. You'll have to contact Capterra directly. Hey, is this real? Yes, this is real. Thank you, Iran. I followed these steps and it worked. See, proof, people. This actually works. This is my friend. Oscar, and it worked for him. How much time is this? 72 hours? Why they're giving $10 for every single review? That's a great question. I don't know how much time you need to wait. You just do one review and then wait for them to invite you to do more. Once you've been approved, you've done your review, it usually takes 72 hours to be approved, and because they actually have somebody check your review to make sure it is legitimate review. Okay. Now, why they're giving $10 US? That's a great question. So they're giving money for this because they want to incentivize people to leave legitimate reviews. You see, the thing is that the more reviews they can collect on a software, they're basically building a massive library of reviews. Okay. Now, their business model is what's called affiliate marketing. So a lot of people go to Capterra because they trust that the reviews are legitimate. Now, what that means is that when people go to Capterra, they thinking already Capterra have done the work to verify that the reviews are legitimate, which they do. They manually check every single review. Now, if you then click any of the software in Capterra to then sign up because you've seen all these reviews, then the company gives Capterra a commission. Okay. Now, Capterra probably has other ways of a business model where they are given maybe advertising dollars or something like that, or something along these lines. But essentially, Capterra is what's called an authority site. Okay, an authority site is just a very popular site where many people come to visit. And long term, when you have an authority site, you can actually sell it for a very good amount of money as well. So that's another aspect, that if they're becoming the power player, where a lot of people come to get reviews on different software, Think about it. There's thousands and thousands and thousands of softwares on Capterra. There's thousands of reviewers, tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of reviewers. And then there is hundreds of plus thousands of people who want to find the best software for their business. So they go to Capterra. So Capterra has created this amazing ecosystem of software and software reviews where they monetize from advertising, affiliate marketing, and the fact that they're getting so much traffic as well. So that's why they're inviting people and they're paying them to do reviews because it increases their brand value. So anyway, that's a great question, Pavlo. I don't know how you say your last name, but that's the answer to that question. Do I need to create an account from that site? Yes, you do. I suggest you sign up with LinkedIn because if you just sign up with Gmail or something like that, they can't verify that you're a real person. You could just be some random person faking something and leaving fake reviews. They don't want that. They want to verify you're a real person with real experience and you can actually give legitimate reviews. Okay, so I use my LinkedIn account. I'll actually leave my LinkedIn account in my description so you can kind of see my LinkedIn account, and then you should have a good LinkedIn account as well. Okay. Do you know how to get a referral link for Capterra? Is it worth it? I don't think there is a referral link. However, there is sometimes you see Capterra has many, many, many softwares. Some softwares are very popular and some softwares are not as popular. So if you end up doing a review on a software that is not so popular, Capterra might be like, hey, this person, as in you, know how to do a review on a software that we don't have many people of. Maybe you know other people who could do a review on this particular software. So for example, I did a review on a software called Reckon, which is an accounting software, and another one on landing pages called Sunny Landing Pages. Now, these two softwares did not have a lot of reviews at that time. So I got given a link asking to invite friends that I know to do reviews on this software. And when they do it, they get $10 and I get $10. So I did that with Sunny Landing Pages and Reckon. So they do have a referral link, but you have to, again, be invited. Thanks, Catherine. That was a great question. How do you get to the page you shown for, I don't know how to answer that here. Very good video. Okay, good. So that's the questions that I've got here. I think there's more questions in between, but that's the main questions. If you have any other questions, please comment below any questions you have for me, and I'll be sure to answer you. Thanks a lot.